After losing everything I own to the 2019 bushfires in Australia, I've rebuilt my life and plan on travelling to every continent with my Africa twin. Join me on this adventure as I rise from the ashes of my former life.
G'day folks, welcome back. My name's Simon if you happen to be new here. This channel is all about motorcycles, adventure, camping and touring. And tonight we're going to go camping. It's a B&B, an Airbnb site with an already set up tent with a queen size bed in it because I thought, why not? And I kind of figured I just wanted somewhere a little bit, cheaper than hotels, somewhere that I could just chill out for a little bit and do some video editing as well, and just relax and not be too worried about anything. So I'm heading to Yarram. I just literally stopped in Foster, and it's a lovely little country town. Stopped there and, having a quick bite to eat and a drink, and people kept coming up and talking to me about the bike. So, love it. What that generally means is that I end up taking a very long time to do a simple thing like stop and eat something. But that's okay, because that's all part of the adventure, isn't it? It's all part of the fun of doing these sorts of things. Stopping and chatting with people and enjoying myself and just getting to know people as I'm travelling around. So really, really good. So it's going to take me about half an hour to get to my destination, which is fine, because check-in time is 3 p.m. and it's 2:30 now. So anyway, I was considering going back down to Wilson's Prom and staying down there tonight, but it was complicated, and just want to do something just different. And when I saw this farm stay with an already set up tent and everything, and a fire pit, and pay an extra, $15 or something to get enough firewood to get me through 2 nights. I kind of like the idea of that. Just being able to have myself a nice little lazy fire. Nice little lazy fire, and to just be able to chill out and relax. No real interruptions on anything. They got a deep cycle battery there, which means I can charge up my laptop once I've done some video editing. It'd be nice if I can get 2 or 3 videos edited over the next 2 nights. That would be ideal. We shall see. Let's jump around this guy. Give them a flash on the headlights when you pull out, because 4-wheel drives like that with big ass caravans on them without having mirror extenders he wouldn't have had the foggiest clue that I was coming up behind him. And if you just pull out and roar around them, you can frighten them and they swerve. And I don't really want to be beside a caravan when it swerves. These hills here are just like bare. There's this road that runs around this hill here, and it's winding down the hill. It's actually really kind of cool. A lot of cars there. This really is a beautiful area out here. Like, it's really, I am really quite taken with South Gippsland. Look at that, with the ocean over there, the water, and that'll be Wilson's Prom sticking out there. Wilson's Prom there. So I rode through all that yesterday down to somewhere just behind that third hill from the left, I would say, would be where I was. And then you hike the last 13 kilometres if you want to go right to the tip of the continent or right to the tip of the mainland. But yeah, no, hiking hills and stuff, no, that's just that's just a lot of work. I mean, I'd need to carry far too much food with me to be able to get there and back. And I also don't have any hiking boots or anything like that. I've got my motorcycle boots, and I've got a pair of trainers that, Tropic Feel trainers that I keep squashed and folded up, or squashed flat, for when I'm not wanting to wear the motorcycle boots. So I'm sure they would be fine for, you know, long walks like that, but I also don't have my Honda backpack with me now. I left that at Jeremy's place because too much stuff already. And I'll be shipping some stuff back to my brother's soon enough, I feel. Like the dry rider sweatpants that I've got. Because as I've now decided, I'm not going down to Tasmania straight away. I'm going to go around the rest of the country first, because in August I have to be back near Bateman's Bay to go to the Fuel Cafe for the second annual Aussie Moto Content Creators Big Day Out. So in order to be there on the 27th of August, I believe it is, that'll put me basically all the way around the continent and back to there, and then from there I can welcome to Tura. From there basically I can come straight down the coast again, all the way down to Tasmania, and my plan is at the end of my trip, after doing the whole continent, is to spend a month to 6 weeks in Tasmania, because not only will that give me ample opportunity to explore, you know, a lovely part of the country, a lovely state, it will also give me time to have a bit of a holiday. So I'm going to be going and staying with a friend of mine and just chilling out, relaxing, eating, drinking, and probably finishing editing my videos while I work out what's next. So, you know, that's the plan now, is to get around the rest of the mainland. Hello, horsey. Nay. Get around the rest of the mainland and then to go down to Tasmania and to enjoy a lovely state without feeling rushed. And I mean, we're looking at September, so it's going to be starting to warm up again, which is going to be lovely. You know, September in Tasmania, yeah, probably still a bit chilly. But coming into spring, it'll be warming up quite nicely, and that should be ideal, to be honest. And like I say, getting to actually have probably 3 or 4 weeks of just sitting around, doing nothing, eating, drinking, relaxing. To be honest, I'll probably need it. Anyway, I'm going to keep going and I will catch up with you soon. Okay, so it turns out that my destination is actually before the place that I was just heading to have a bit of a look-see. So I thought I might go to the Airbnb first, do my check-in bit, dump all the crap off the bike that I don't need, and then I can shoot down into somewhere to get food. So I figured that's a way to do it. And look at this for a beautiful location to be staying at. I mean, I booked 2 nights here, and yeah, this just is gorgeous. Love this old house here. Wow, look at that. It's an old pub. Oh, that's awesome. Absolutely awesome. So flat out here. Now, obviously there's the mountains off in the distance there. That's really quite pretty as well, but I think we got this right. So if I travel along this, when I go and get some food, and if it's getting dark, I'll have to watch out for kangaroos and stuff. Looks like this prime sort of place to find them. Oh, lovely. Okay, so I've arrived at my Airbnb and got this lovely tent here with toilet, shower over the other side there, fire pit. And I've got a big pile of firewood there. Let's have a look at what the accommodation is tonight. Keeping everything zipped up because there's mosquitoes and stuff around. Nice big queen size bed, table, chair, table and lights and desk and glasses and stuff. So really cool. Looking forward to hunkering down in there tonight. Anyway, I have to go off and get some food. It's a bit later than I would have liked, but hey, there you go. Need to get food.